The most exciting feature of the brand new iPhone 16 lineup is inarguably the new camera control button. And it's a lot more than just a button. So let me show you how to use the camera button of your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Plus or Max, and all its features so that you can get the most out of it. Here we have our iPhone 16 Pro Max, and this is the brand new camera control button. And this also has touch controls. And the very basic feature of the camera button is when you press on it, it will open camera on your iPhone from anywhere. Then you can press on it again to take photos, and if you hold down on it, it will start video recording, and when you release it, the recording will stop. This is also customizable, which I will talk about later. It is also pressure sensitive, so you can half press on it, and you will feel a haptic feedback, and it will open a slider, which is by default the zoom slider, and you can slide left or right to adjust it. And if you double tap on it, it will open the other functions such as exposure, depth, all your cameras, different filters, and tone adjustment. To select them, just half press again. And similarly, you can change them by sliding left and right. So, half press once to open the slider, half press twice to switch between the modes. Now let me show you how you can customize each of these options. You can do these from two different places. First of all, you'll need to open settings. Then if you go to camera, and the first settings that we will look at is how you can launch the camera. It will be set to single click by default, but you can also switch to double click so that you don't accidentally turn it on. Then you can change the whole function of the camera button. So instead of opening the camera, you can open the QR code scanner, the Instagram camera, magnifier, or simply disable it by tapping on none. We'll just keep it to camera. Now for the main settings. For that, open settings once again, then go to accessibility, scroll down, and go to camera control. Again, you can disable or enable it from the top. Then we have the control gesture. By default, you can light press it to open it, or you can also enable long swipe to open the camera controls. Furthermore, you can adjust the light press force. So if you feel like the default is a bit harder, then you can make it lighter so that you can press it more gently. And finally, you can also fine-tune the double light press speed. If you prefer to press it more slowly to open the other adjustment controls, then you can make it slow or slower. I prefer it to be slow. And these are all the customizations that you can do to camera control button. That's all. You have become a pro at using your iPhone's camera control button. You can show your support by dropping a like, feel free to subscribe and keep on making those memories.